What up, guys? Focus ain't so well. Tychie here. What up, tychiejdk? Nathan, by the way, But here's a video for you guys of cooking. It's something little put together. I am making just a special pasta. There's a water being boiled. It's actually boiling, so I can add the noodles. See noodles here? Yeah, that's good. See, primer noodles, spinal noodles. So I'm gonna be making that. Put that in with some onions and mushrooms, cutting up the meatballs, and also sauces that's gonna be used for the pasta. It's a spicy Italian. What is it? Parmesan or a spicy tomato Parmesan? You see here, but it's from Classico. The Classico. Now, other stuff that will be just regular minced garlic. You see, other spices, oregano. We got some Italian spices here, and then just fine herbs, regular spices in it. Gonna kind of spice it up with some teriyaki marinade, put some General Tao sauce in there because I'm a little weird like that. I like to sauce up some stuff. So, here's the rest of the meatballs got to chop up. Here's Jason over here doing his thing. Nazar B. That's Nazar. He's chopping up his soup soda. So, But this is what we do. I will get the end part to you as well. But since he's doing his thing and I'm doing my thing, I can't fully hold it. Well, I can leave you guys on. Yeah, I can leave you guys on. So here. I'll hold you guys with that. Hope you guys can see me, if anything. But if anything, yeah. Well, if you can, it's whatever it is. But we're cooking. As I said, I would get more cooking stuff out to you guys, or I would get cooking stuff out to you guys when I get the food to cook. This isn't really my full cooking expertise. This is just what I have in my mini freezer, to be honest. So, with that all being said, it's getting it done and gotta eat. So, yeah. And now, gotta get all this cut up and get it in the other pot to simmer with the onions and the mushrooms, and then get the other sauces to marinate with it. Slowly, not too fast, so it can all soak in with everything. But it'll be good. Sweet and see. Now let me show you guys. See, so here it is. Mix it all in. So you get it all together. Sorry, I was not looking at the camera. I was just mixing. So yeah, so get it all in. And then we want to get the other sauces in there too. But as I said, I need to get the noodles in. So hopefully you guys are phased enough, not like I can see. So hopefully. Because we's hungry. So we're making that fucking food. But if you guys are new and you're seeing this, and you like what you see, enjoying the channel, from my gaming to this one cooking, like it, subscribe, comment down below, what else you want to see, what you enjoyed about the whole experience, whether it was me or it's just the case that you saw food, whatever it is, but get at it. Even if it's just like comment, I'll reply. Get it. That's this. It just shows that you're there. Show that attendance. Comments. But it's all good. Tonight was something different of a meal, not something normal, because I don't usually make this kind of thing. I will see to put the other video I had. So here it is. Final. It's all together. I know it's still not focused. Sorry. Kind of my phone's crappy, but it's what it is. But there's that. There's the noodles. Looks pretty good. No, it's spicy. It's good. Tastes good. I love my spicy. But that's the channel. That's what it is. The other half cut out. It's what it is. Thanks, guys. But hope you enjoyed. See you guys later. Peace.